Alright, y'all, we're gonna have a conversation about food prices in Barbados because this heavy full bag, which if I have bought anything from a supermarket, especially if it had a tin in it or something in a jar, that's usually $5. I just got this from the market for a total of only Barbados $25. Onions, these were $2. Sweet peppers, these were 3. These are the locally grown sweet peppers. Get this, green bananas, 6 for $1. There was a pawpaw that's ready tomorrow. There was 3 Kareli, that is, or Karela, that is 3 for $3, and those are 3 big ones. Got this beautiful pawpaw. Okras were $2.50. And spinach was only 2, and this was a huge bag. So I think that was pretty much it. So to show you, oh, and a plantain that is I could boil. Just to show you that we can actually shop better and shop smarter. And I saw an article in Barbados City talking about, you know, the high prices of local produce, but don't let that dissuade you from going and see for yourself and picking healthy food, because if you was to go get fast junk food, that $25 you will burn in one meal. Next stop is this farm shop. There's a farm in the back and a little farm shop, and here you got Jamaican apple tree, mango tree, got coconut trees to my right, but definitely right, all this stuff was for the market and some is in the fridge that I showed y'all already. And this now is from a farm shop from today as well, and that's some mustard greens, scotch bonnet, what do you call it again, melangen, eggplant, 2 sweet potatoes, a pretty piece of pumpkin.